what we're going to show you today is just how to tie in regular gutter into a bigger patio gutter. You can see there we've upsized the patio gutter for the pergola. So we're going to tie regular gutter into that. And I'm just going to show you the easy way to do it because quite often it's done wrong. So the first thing is, you can see I've cut all that corner away, which is always the best thing to do. It gets it out of your way, and I'll show you exactly what to do from here on in. Alright, so now all I've done is I've got a long piece of gutter off the car, and I'm going to use him to get the correct cut in the front of that. And using a pencil, we're just going to mark him. Beautiful. Like so. Now you can do this while you're cutting out the gutter at the same time. To be honest, it's probably easier. I just elected to do this one while it was on the roof. So we're going to cut it down. That's where we want the gutter to come in. Like so. And cut across the bottom. Now when I made this stop end, I didn't seal it because all the sealing will be done at the end. Okay, so that's just a little trick for you. Don't seal your stop end. Okay. And I'm just going to remove this. Alright, just taking the back off, breaking that back. You don't need a back on it. And finishing off. And look, what I would say is, in general, if you can do it on the floor while the gutter's on the back of the trailer or the back of the car, cut it then, makes it easier. But in this case, I didn't have time, so I just put it up and come back to this one. Okay. Now, don't worry too much for this one here, because that's going to be covered by the gutter anyway. Okay, so you can see I've cut the piece of gutter that's now going to go in on both ends. Now, if you look at this end, and you have a look at that pencil line, you'll see I haven't actually cut it quite square. I've made the back about 5 or 10 mils longer, and that will make it easier to put in because that allows me to slide the back in and then work the front, and you'll see how that works when we get up there. So we've cut it, we're now going to slide it. Now watch, this is where that back end being a little bit longer comes in, because now I'm only concentrating on the back. Okay, I get the back in, now I can concentrate just on the front. And we're just going to slide him in. Okay. There we have him. Okay. So we're going to put a rivet in the back through the bottom. Cut over the back, like we always do. And I'll put another rivet in the back. Now this is where you see a lot of people get into trouble, because what they do now is they just seal it as it is. Now if you do that, this will leak. It's just the way they work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this back, but you've got to cut this and tap it around and rivet it so it doesn't crack its silicone during expansion and contraction. Alright, love it. Okay, so you need to put that one there, otherwise you get movement and you'll get breakage of the silicon. So there he is, beautiful little joint, and we're going to move across, and this is the miter that the other gutter will run into. So it now all joins, we've just got to seal it. So that's it, the silicon's all done. I hope this is useful if you're ever replacing gutter. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. If you think you got some value of it, please subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Until then, see you later.